Welcome to Graver Load. I'm Anthony, and I just got the Framework laptop in. This is the 12th gen version, and as you can see, I also got a couple USB-Cs, a USB Type A, and an HDMI add-in card that they have, and their power adapter. So I purchased a DIY computer, so I'm just going to go through and set it up here while you guys are watching. They did a good job actually on the packaging too. Very impressed with it. I was actually surprised how fast it got here as well. Nice sleeve as well. Then you got the Framework laptop itself. Um, Looks like a little smudge on there, but nothing too bad on the brushed aluminum. So here's how the device kind of looks. Nice little laptop. There's the bottom. And yeah, then it comes with a screwdriver. This is supposed to be the one screwdriver for taking everything apart, which I like. And then they have some stickers and just information. Nothing that I care about. Yeah, I did like, they had a sheet in the main box when it comes with everything, talking about this is just a little piece that they have glued together, nothing underneath there. It doesn't look like anything, so pretty nice. They did sign off. It's actually signed copy by somebody saying that they put everything in there and the order's correct. I really like that. So let's see. I'm gonna put in. I got some. What is this? XLR8 gaming memory by PNY. It's 16 gigs of 3200 DDR4, and I think that is, at least when I read, it was DDR4. So let's take all this apart and go from there. Yeah. So one reason why I got this 12th gen was I waited for the 12th gen on this Framework laptop, so that's um, one reason. And then the Surface is just getting older. I know my brother would like a computer so he can use it, and he's going to get it here in a little bit. You know what? I should have read of how this comes apart first, huh? Oh, here it is. So you unscrew from the bottom. I guess I have to unscrew a little bit more. Whoops. Well, keyboard came off. That's fine, it goes right there. So here's the inside. You have a battery. So they did improve the battery. They improved this, the hinges here, and then you have your memory, and then I also have an SSD. But I like all the QR codes to be able to do stuff. I also have a Western Digital SN75 Black. I had that lying around, so we can put that in. And we'll see here in a little bit. So this was shipped directly from Taiwan, and it was a quick shipment overall. Let's see here. Let's put the memory in, and this does up to 32 gigs of DDR4. I got 16. I didn't think I needed to jump up to 32. This kit was on sale for what was it, like 30 bucks or something, or 60 bucks. So that's why I picked it up. And this is my secondary, right? This is just something I can be portable, do around, do a little bit of work. It's not going to be my main workstation here. So that's the DIY edition. So then you can put the keyboard back on. So that goes on there. I really like the magnets, and I also like that they have the screws that just kind of hold on here. So what's nice is all this stuff is recyclable. So this is HDMI. USB-C. So they have a nice little device. And you can always swap these out. So if you get more, and it looks like they have a third-party networking one, which is really kind of cool that they're kind of allowing third parties to go through and do add-in cards. I did not pick up that one yet, but I think that's one that I might actually use because I do work on people's networks, and it's always nice to be plugged in rather than not. Man, I have to say, this is a pretty nice device so far. I'll do a full review once I've used it for a while. I want to see battery life. I'll probably do an install of Windows just so we can just see that. So that's on there. Let's see, this power cable. Here we go. There we go, there's the power brick. So here we go. And then it's USB-C, so I mean they have everything nicely wrapped. I have to say, I can't complain about that. It's a nice, feels like a nice cable. We'll see if it has issues later on, but fits in there. Yeah, fits quite nicely. So let's see, does it boot? Don't know if it has power. What's nice is if you break something on here, you can replace it. It's not a 16:9 screen, which could be nice. Well, let's see. This is not powering on, but maybe there's a, I know there's a power cord someplace around here, or an outlet. So let's see quick. But yeah, this is a quick unboxing of it, quick okay, it's turning on now. So I need to be booted up, but you can see the light on there. It has nice little buttons up here, so you can turn your camera on and off, your microphone on and off. That's kind of cool. Power button's on. We'll see everything else, but it might take a little while. I don't think I wiped this drive beforehand, so we'll go from there. But it's on, it's powered on. That's a little quick look at it. I'll probably get this up and running Windows, and then I'll do a review of it here quite soon. But thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you have any questions on the framework at all, if you are interested in one, or if you just think, hey, you know, I'm going to stick with what I'm doing. If you like their repairability side of things, I think that's one thing I really like, is that they're repairable. They have parts. They're open. They seem like they're opening up more and more to getting repair shops things, and I think that's a huge plus, because I don't like throwing away stuff, right? My old Surface is going to somebody, right? I like to use computers until they're completely dead, and if you have something repairable, or even you can upgrade the boards and make them newer, still use a chassis, that's one less thing that's being thrown out, and it's a huge benefit, because like my Surface, the chassis is fine. It's just the parts are starting to get long in the tooth, and I wish that would support Windows 11. That's a whole other thing, and have support for other things. But this, you know, I can put Linux on it, Windows, and that's one other thing too, is that I didn't want to have to go through the hassle of the Surface. I do wish they had a touchscreen version, or allow eventually to swap out to a touchscreen. I think that would be a great option. But it's a nice overall light device, a little bit thicker than my Surface, but I'm not concerned, right? I'm more about usability, repairability right now, and I think that this is a good option. And who knows? We'll see if my wife wants one instead of a Surface. But let me know if you have any questions or anything else. I think it's a nice little brush device. You know, you press this button and to get out these things, I believe, right? Yeah, there you go. They're in there nice and tight, but yeah. So thanks guys for watching. Thank you for taking the time to help support Grow Overload and helping this channel grow. I really appreciate it. Until next time, God bless, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.